Hey Sonny here, how you guys doing? So today we're gonna unbox and review this new speaker I got. So it's a Geyguy trolley speaker, model GPSK-4, and came in the box and like this, and the whole box right now I just weighed it about 11.4 pounds. So it's pretty light, lighter than my Les Paul Custom. So we're gonna open it up and check it out, and go through all the functions, and see how this speaker sounds when we plug it in. So let's get the unboxing started. So this speaker, from what I understand, it can be used for karaoke as a wireless mic. You can plug this into you can your phone to it, and you can use your iPad to it. So we're gonna open it up and just kind of check it out. So first thing we got foam on top, and you got this top foam. Just pull that out, and then right there in the two holes it comes with two microphones. You got a different color too. You got this way. You got an orange one. You got a blue one. Okay, pretty nice. It's got two of those. And then inside a package, inside a box, we have a packet of stuff, which comes with a manual, and it also has a remote control and some cables, some USB cables, and batteries for remote control. Also has the RCA audio red and white audio cable that comes with it. So that's that. The next thing we got is the main speaker, so we're going to take that out. So it's pretty light. Just weighted it. The speaker itself is 8 pounds. So again, with the box together with all the stuff is 11.4 pounds. The speaker itself is 8 pounds. So it's just a plastic bag. So we're going to open that up. Alright, so that's the speaker. At the bottom of the box is I believe this is the AC adapter, I think. So let's open it up and see. Okay, what is this? AC adapter at the bottom of the box. So now we have all that. Let's look inside the bag. We got the manual. We got the audio cable, the red and white audio cable. We have a USB-C cable adapter. USB-C cable to USB, and then we have the USB-C both sides, male and female, USB-C cable. This one before that, it was a one USB-C to USB. And they got this tiny remote, portable remote. There's also a little iPad adapter, so you can plug your iPad into it with the USB cable. And then you got 4 AA battery and 2 AAA battery. So I just put the 2 AAA batteries in the remote control, and then close that up. That's a 4 AA battery that comes with it. And my guess is that these batteries are for the microphone. So the blue. So I'm gonna screw this part open. Yep, So here's the battery compartment for the microphone. Got my batteries on. Screw this back on. The blue mic's ready. Let's do the other one. So let's do orange mic. I really like that this speaker comes with two microphones instead of just one. So that's kind of fun. So now we got both mics. All right, let's go over the features of the speaker. As I talked about before, the speaker is really light. It's got an 8-inch subwoofer inside. Weighs about 8 pounds. You can carry it around like this. I can carry one hand. See how light that is? You can actually set the speaker on a stand, so you can run like a stand up for like a PA system speaker. And also position wise, you can set your speaker straight up like that, or you kind of set it in an angle like that, or you can set it sideways. You can see where this size of the foot right here. You can set it like this, like a monitor. All right. I think I would like the control panels in the front of the speaker on top, but for this one, it's in the back because it's a lighter and smaller speaker. So once you plug in the adapter, the DC adapter, when I first got the speaker, it took me an hour, literally charging full. You got to plug it, it'll charge. You can use the speaker on its own. You can carry around for portable use. I'd say they say the charge lasts about 3 to 6 hours. It depends on the volumes and how much you use it and how much features you get into it. Got the microphone volume knob right here, and you have the echo, which is the effect for your microphone. And then you got the electric guitar knob. If you can plug in the electric guitar in, which I'll show you that you can do that. And then you have the USB, and then you have the USB-C cable. You can actually use those two. You can plug your iPad into here, or on your phone with the USB-C connector, or you can use the USB outlet for Android or iPhone. And it comes to the cable. This is the USB-C cable, both sides, female and male, of USB-C. And then you got the regular USB cable with a USB. You can also plug this in. It comes with an adapter for your iPhone on your iPad. You just plug this into your USB side. You can plug this into your iPad. You can use your iPad directly or your Android phone to play music, or for karaoke purposes, or you can use the Bluetooth function with that. You get an equalizer, we got a treble, and then you have the bass, and then you have the master volume right here. You have the microphone volume on top. Master volume is the bottom. And on the side right here, this first button here is mode. You can switch between TWS, which is you can pair two speakers this together. Let me turn it on, show you what I'm talking about. So, let's get the, right now it's on the radio mode. Let me turn it down first. It's got a radio mode, and then you hit it again. It's Bluetooth mode. When you go to Bluetooth mode, you can pair anything with it. So if you turn on Bluetooth mode, you go to your phone or your iPad or your computer. You can look for Geyguy on your Bluetooth, and you can just connect it that way. You got line in. So those are the three mode. And then you got this button right here. So these are the control. This is FM control radio also. So this next three buttons control FM. So first of all, we want to set these. You want to set the station. What you do is at the second button right here. If you hold this, it's going to set. Let me turn the volume up a little bit. So if you hit this button, second to the last button right here. So just search and find on the radio station that way. You see it's scanning to find a channel, and the P is the station. It's got 10 channels, I think is the last one. Alright, so now it's all set to stop on its own. If I press this button, it's going to go to the next channel. So now it's on Bluetooth mode again because I pressed the mode button. You can do that on the remote control too. So I'm going to turn it off for now. Let's look through the other functions at the bottom. So the button is after this panel is a Bluetooth button. You can connect. This is a shortcut key for Bluetooth connection. You can just hit that button one time without hitting the mode button. Just hit that Bluetooth button one time. You can connect. If you want to disconnect, just hold it for 1.5 seconds. You can disconnect from whatever device you're connected to. And this second button has INST. If you're in the Bluetooth mode, you hold this button for 1.5 seconds to turn off the original song function. And then you have the repeat button. The third button right is to repeat the songs, or one song, or repeat the whole thing. The different modes you can play on playback. And then you got a mute button right here at the bottom. So another note is that if you hold the second to the last button right here on top, you hold it for 1.5 seconds, it switches mode indoor and outdoor. Indoor is not as loud, outdoor is louder. So it uses more battery if you use this outdoor. I'm going to show you the remote control. So remote control is pretty simple. You got the mode button just like you do on the back of the panel. Then you can punch in your radio station instead of using the search and found button. And you got the Bluetooth shortcut key here. You have the mute button right here. You also have the 5 different settings of sound. So you hit the EQ button, it's going to change this to different setting of sound, which is not on the back panel, right? Only on the remote control. You have a repeat button, and you have the radio station changes backward and forward right here. Next station, previously, and next station. Station previously, next station. And you got that play button here. You got the volume button right here. The last two, volume down, volume up. So this is remote control. And this, I want you to hear speak the microphone by itself. Turn it on. Turn this on. Testing. 1, 2, check. 1, 2, check. Volume on the mic off. Volume slowly increasing. This is maximum volume. It's too loud. Turn it down. Right now it's about 70%, 50%. Echo, no echo at all. About 25%. 50% echo. 75% echo. 100% echo. So right now I'm back to 50% right now. So the mic is very clear. You can use both mics. Or you have to just turn it on, turn it off. You just hold a button. You hold a button, it turns off. If you want to record this, you can actually go from line. You connect this to your PC. You go from here to your PC, and you just open your either phone or iPad or PC. There's a recording function on all the devices. It may say voice recording, voice memo, or something like that. It will record the sound coming out there. So you can actually play a song So you sing a song, karaoke, or you can play instrument and sing a song, and then you can record it directly with your PC out using the outlet from this speaker. So it's pretty useful. Oh, but one more thing I want to check, and I want to connect to my phone, and I want to play a song on my phone on the Bluetooth to see what it sounds like. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to turn this thing on. Okay, so let's put on the Bluetooth mode. It is on Bluetooth mode, so it's perfect. So I'm gonna on my Android phone, just pull my menu down, hold your Bluetooth icon, and now find Geyguy GPSK-4. Select. It should connect. Turn the volume up. So that's the Bluetooth mode. I'm playing music on my phone. You can do it that way. I can use Spotify, whatever you want. It also has an electric guitar thing here. So I'm going to plug the electric guitar in and see how it works. Electric guitar input. You have the mic input. If you have a wire mic, you can plug it in. But you have an electric guitar input. You get an electric guitar volume right here. So let's test it up and turn the volume down on the electric guitar. I'm going to plug it in, plug my guitar in, let's check it out. Okay, I've already plugged the guitar in. So you can see right here, my guitar cable plugged in. And then I'm going to turn the volume up on the guitar by halfway there up. It's probably good with electric acoustic guitar. You play acoustic through this. With the electric guitar, there's no overdrive, there's no distortion. So you probably need some paddle to see if it works. But I think it's best to use like acoustic guitar, electric acoustic guitar for this amp. But this is halfway through, halfway volume, 50%. This is all the way. Actually, it sounds pretty good. It's pretty loud. Yeah. Actually, it sounds pretty good with electric guitar. I guess a little distortion, but not bad. Very clean. So that's it. All the features on the speaker that I wanted to cover. And please go to my next video if you want to check out the karaoke function on this Geyguy speaker.